Hey Neil, good morning. Just received your allowance. And that is from Chocominim. Okay, sige, lakaw na daw. Bye. Annyeonghaseyo, Milay. So you have now brought your school supply. Ano mahang gipalit. So you have your new pen, new ball pen. This one, and this is the receipt. Okay. Oops. Hoy gamay ra na anak kay mga school supply uban. Okay, so dakuan na lang, kulang na lang imong gibay. Okay, so kinsay unsay imong masulti kinsay naghatag ana? Kim Wanchul ni okay. Kamsahamnida. Bye, Milay. Annyeonghaseyo. Annyeonghaseyo. So, honey, Bonim sent you 6,000 pesos for this evening event. So, what do you say?
Thank you. Uncle Bonim, kamsahamnida. Kuya ka, ma'am. Alam ko, ipapalit sa pasos.
Okay. Wait, sama picture ako.
Annyeonghaseyo.
Annyeonghaseyo.
Good evening, L2.
Good evening, Teacher Melvin. Good evening, classmates. It's nice to see you this evening.
Now you have to recite a poem.
The key to success. Take a deep breath and move with me step by step. Success is not final and failure is not bitter. But what comes to courage to move on? The key to success is not on the list, but it's hard education, commitment, perseverance, among others. Hard work is the motion of the key to success. For it is said, that hard work make a man successful.
Wealth combined and education, but laziness makes a man poor and idle-minded.
So therefore, ladies and gentlemen, the choice lies in hand. Decide to make actions. Kamsahamnida.
Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon,
So, today is Ate Hani's birthday, no? So, I have to share with you a small food lang, ha? At least I share. So, we have sandwich with spaghetti and drinks. So, kanala sa share ni teacher, ha? Okay, ra? Okay, so please distribute your milk bread. Since Atihan is not yet pa-arrived, she's pa at school, so no need not to sing happy birthday. No? Yeah, pagkuha mo drinks, tagsa-tagsa. Pagkuha mo. Oh, kaon na mo. You can eat na. So, kaon na mo ha. Bye everyone. Welcome.
Annyeonghaseyo.
Annyeonghaseyo.
So, L1, first session nga L1, di ba? Level 1. So, mag-toothbrush mo karon. Okay, start na mag-toothbrush. Si Ranel, si Zainab, si Gracel, si Chito, then si Andrea og si Kate. So, kanya-kanyang toothbrush lang. So, si Gracel ag si Chito ag si Zainab bumanagkuan. Asa ko na biyang ipon. Kana smile. Gracel. So, bisan dili ta everyday nag-take a video. So, mang toothbrush gid mo. Kinsay always magsig toothbrush. Kabe. In one day kapila ta mag toothbrush.
Ay, ikaw upat sure. Dala ka eh.
Kaupat si Gracel. Grabe na pa na eh. Ma-stress lang. Ma-stress ang gums. Kaupat ka Gracel.
Kamatulog.
Okay naman sila po ikuan dito ka ng hygiene kit sa normal school, di ba Chito? Okay. So, humanapod si Aya og si Ronel, si Little Andrea og si Kate. So, asa ang mga smile na to? Si Andrea. Si Aya. So, mana? Okay. So, annyeonghaseyo. Good evening, everyone.
Annyeonghaseyo. Good evening.
So, before ta mag-start atong klase is, magunsa ta?
Toothbrush.
Okay, mag-toothbrush. Okay, start na mag-toothbrush. Pwede mo mangita nag-area kung asa mo magka-toothbrush. So, mauto ako ang second session sa L1. So, si Jindy. What's this? Si Mark. Si Ashley. Anna. Kinshin. Okay ra? And Junel. Hi, Junel. So, Mark, Jindy, and Anna is already done. Okay. And also Kinshin, Ashley, Janelle, and Bidang. Okay. So, sige na, start na tag. Sud na mo lang, pwede na mo masud lang. Annyeonghaseyo.
Annyeonghaseyo. Good evening.
Okay, so before ta mag-start sa tong klase is magunsa ta.
Toothbrush.
Okay, mag-toothbrush. Okay, so start na mag-toothbrush.
Oh, nana mo. Si Jill. Jill ka pangkot sa kuan ba? Ay, bibi uwi lang. Kilay, kuan na lang. Bibi.
Hang? Okay, ginyo mag-experiment inyong mga toothpaste. Gisagol-sagol, pila ka toothpaste guna inyo hang gisagol-sagol. So, si Rosie, si Juban, Laika, Giselle, tarungan kan Giselle, Tantan, Charlene, and Sheena. So, si Tantan naman nag-toothbrush, si Giselle, si Laika, Jovan, and landa ng mga smile. Ay, mga smile. Ang mga smile, ang mga smile. Ang smile ni Jovan. Okay. Oh, humanap po si Charlene. Ang smile, Charlene. How about Sheena? Okay, so humanag-brush atong teeth. So, mag-start na ta sa atong klase. So, keep nang inyong mga baso, inyong mga toothbrush, i-daplin dayon. Kaya magsugod na tag-klase. Okay.
Bye-bye.